Hello, I'm Roberto Stepanenko. I have multiple sclerosis. I had it for 14 years until now. So it's April 2025. So I want to apologize to you. I want to explain that it's difficult for me to do what I'm doing here. The videos that I'm bringing up to you guys, it's difficult because I have my immune system. I don't have immune system, and I have problems in my brain. I don't have my immune system, and my brain is compromised. My cognitive system is compromised. That's the way. That's why I talk like a drunk people, and I don't drink. So I apologize to you. I'm trying. I'm doing my best, trying to bring these videos for you. Please, just understand and and try to how do you say mm, to follow and to uh, how do you say support me. Yeah, that's the word. That's why I'm here. It's difficult for me, trying to put words, trying to think, try to remember. It's difficult for me to do this, but it's trying to do my best, and it's because of God, because of Jesus. Jesus is bring me, give me the second chance of my life. That's why I become a follower. How you say? Uh, hmm, I can't remember. It's gotta be a word for that. It's no, it's not follower. It's because I have to edit this video because it's gonna be a shit. I'm Roberto Stepanenko, and the channel of the YouTube channel is true. The two. The two is the two. Nothing but the two. Well, I don't know what I'm saying, but please follow me and support me. Please understand that I'm sick, and it's difficult for me to do this. Yes, thank you.